Okay, guys, so as you can see my screen, it's a fairly simple process. The first step is you apply for it, and the second step is you make a payment, and third step is you just download the visa. So now the first thing we will do is we will click on apply now. And what I'll do is I'll also like share the link in the description below, so you can literally just go on it and apply for it. And then the visa type would be electronic visa. Now you have to select your country. So you can go here. In my case, I would just select India. Okay, click on India, and then you got the ordinary passport, and then you do the security verification. Let's see if I can get this because I promise you, uh, I can never get this in the first go. And as you guys might be watching it, guys might be guessing if I can get it or not. Okay, let's see. Save and continue. Oh, voila. Not bad. Okay. So when you're here, okay, now you gotta select for how many days you will be staying. So the maximum you can stay is 30 days within 180 days period. So you get about 6 months of this visa, but you can only stay for 30 days. Like some people can think like if you get it for like 180 days, you can stay for 180 days, but that's not the case. You can only stay for 30 days. So yes, please be mindful of it. So let's say arrival date in Turkey. So in my case, I am arriving on 31st of July. So I've selected 31st of July. And so I have this visa. I can get this visa from 31st of July until 26th of January 2025. But as I said, you can only stay for 30 days. Okay. And it's a single entry visa, and you can stay for 43 sorry, you pay 43 USD. Sorry, I'm feeling under the weather today. Okay. So now we click save and continue, and then you read this. I've already read this before, but it's basically like your passport covers the period that you'll be staying in Turkey, and you can prove that you hold a return ticket. So that's mandatory. You should have a return ticket and a hotel reservation and at least $50 per each day. So last time when I traveled, they didn't ask me to show me my funds, but I would advise like if you're traveling, just carry like a bank statement or like the proof of funds that you have. Um, and then you're traveling for tourism. Okay, now comes the another part where I mentioned about the eligibility criteria. So you are eligible to apply for a Turkish visa if you have one of these visas. So if you have a valid visa or a valid residence permit from one of the Schengen countries, USA, UK, or Ireland, and e-visas are not accepted as supporting documents. So if you have an e-visa of any of these countries, then yeah, it doesn't apply for you. You gotta have an actual like a multiple entry visa for one of these countries. So you confirm this, and then the last one, okay. And just like double check, like so 31st of July, and you'll be getting this until 26th of January 2025. Save and continue. Okay, and now you just type your name here. So Ash and Shra, and then you do your date of birth. Oops. Okay, okay, just gonna select for the reference. Okay, and place of birth. Okay, just gonna uh and obviously I'm not filling the right information, but you guys should actually fill in the right information here. Uh, just gonna say dad. And then you gotta put the passport number here. Okay. And then you could put the issue date. Okay. And then you gotta put the expiry date. Okay. Now here you have to be careful. So here you have to select what kind of visa do you guys have. So in my case, it was the US visa and supporting document number. So when you have your visa, you can just like go on the passport and over there, like in case of US visa, and I think even like because I did get the Schengen visa and the UK visa as well, document number is usually written like, on the right hand side of that visa. So with the USA, yes, there was a visa number over there. So I'm just gonna mention that visa number. Okay. And then you gotta mention when is it expiring. Uh, okay. And then you put the email address here. Okay. And put the phone number. And guys, so here if you see like it's a bit confusing because you may think that you have to put your home address, but you actually have to put your destination address. So when you guys are coming to Turkey, whatever you have booked, Airbnb or hotel, or if you're staying at your friend's place, just like mention the address here. So I am just gonna say, and then you put the postal code and Turkey. Awesome. Uh, Now, if you want, you can just like read this thing. Uh, and then once you're done, just click on save and continue. And now this is the verification where you verify that everything is correct. So just like give it a glance, give it a read, just make sure everything is correct because now after this page, you would have to make a payment. So you want to make sure that everything is correct on this page. So you click on verify and then you will get an email notification saying that you have to make a payment. So I can show you just for the reference is yes, like this. Okay. And you click on approve here. Once you click on the approve, that will take you to a payment page where you can use your card and make a payment and it's 43 USD. And once that's done, you will literally get the visa in like couple of minutes. And once you get the visa, it will be looking like this. So you click on download. You can only stay for duration of stay. If you can see, you can still stay for 30 days. And the visa is valid until 26th of January 2025. And uh, the start date is 31st July 2024. Now, my last thing is that how early do they advise you to apply for the visa? So usually I would say like on the document, like on the if you go on the website, they say it's 48 hours to apply for the visa, but I would say just take it like 72 hours to like apply before 3 days. Although you get this visa in a couple of minutes. It happened with me, it happened with my friends, but why take a chance? Just apply like before 3 days. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video informational. And so please, if you did, please share it with your friends, family who's traveling to Turkey. It's a beautiful place, and I'll be also traveling to Turkey in August, and I'll be uploading some videos over there. So if you guys are watching this in August or September, I think I may have a couple of videos uploaded already. Um, and yeah, please show some support by liking and subscribing to my channel. It would mean a world to me. And thank you again for watching this video, guys.